Greetings friends and welcome to the channel for the weekend video. So glad to have you here in my den with me as we shave and have a conversation and listen to some music. And I have a really great song for you today. Really pleased with this song actually. I think out of all the ones I've done and put up on the channel yet, I think this is one of my favorites. And we'll talk about it more after. The soap for today is, it's not Tubbs Grapefruit. It's actually Fine American Blend. As you can see it there. Just a gorgeous scent. This is a dupe on Rive. Oh, what is it? Yves Saint Laurent Rive Gauche is what this is a dupe on. Just a beautiful scent. So if you're not familiar with this one, think of Phoenix Artisan Accoutrements CAD or Cease and Desist. They're very similar, with this one having a slightly sharper finish to my nose, and CAD has a slightly sweeter, more powdery finish. But other than that, they both fit in the same vein. So if you've never tried this, but you've tried Phoenix Artisan Accoutrements CAD, you would really like this soap. They've stopped making this, so you'll have to check on the BSTs or check online to see if there's still some stock available. And if there is and you're interested, I would snap it up while you can. So the razor for today is going to be my Wade&Butcher The Celebrated 6/8. This was honed by Randy at First Canadian. He's so sharp. David just had his first experience with a First Canadian edge and he was in love with it, and that inspired me to break this out today as well. And the brush is going to be my CoyoteCuts Latherizer, big 28mm synthetic knot. So I'm going to get this lathered up off camera, and when I come back you're going to hear the music playing. The name of the song is The Bright. Once again, this is my Les Paul on the bridge pickup through my Vox with my Fulltone Plimsoul overdrive / distortion pedal, and then the bass and the drums. And this is one of the reasons why I wanted a Vox and why I paired this pedal with it, because this is the sound that's been living in my head and it sits in the mix just perfect. There is actually no EQ on the guitars whatsoever. They're just panned left and right. So I recommend headphones. Once again, you're going to get the best listening enjoyment out of using headphones for this tune. And that's it. So we'll be back with the shave after we hear the tune. See ya. And I am back. So yeah, what did you think of that tune? I really like that one. And I really like how this shave is going. Love the Sheffield steel. I love the edge that Randy puts on a blade. It's very smooth and very sharp, which is very important. You don't want it so sharp it's harsh. I don't like that. And this blade is definitely not that. It is nice and smooth while being sharp. Very nice. Very nice. I do have to get the scales tightened up on this, so we are gonna do some work on the scales. Gonna put a liner inside them just to preserve that natural ivory and stabilize it where it cracked. Shave is going quite well. Yeah, I really do like this soap. It's a triple milled soap, nice and slick. I don't believe they were very expensive when they were available either. I think they were only like $16.95 or something like that for a puck of this triple milled stuff. And I mean, it's triple milled, it lasts forever. I've had this puck, well, as you can see, it's in a different container because I got this when it was first released. Which, God, that's gotta be 3 years ago or more. When they didn't come in a resealable container like they do now. They just came in a cardboard box. So, you know, you had to either put it in something or set it out and let it dry and then put it back in the box and go from there. See if I still got it. Let's see if I can do the old against the grain on the neck. No, I don't like that. I'm a little out of practice on that, so I'll not do that on camera. Don't want to give myself a memory line. We don't want to do that. Yeah, we really don't want to do that. It's been a while. I'll have to practice that motion maybe with a shavette without a blade in it. Can still do there, no problem though. Doesn't make much sense, does it? Oh well. It's all what you're used to. And I got a bunch of lather over here. Oh well, it is what it is. We get most of her done with the straight. At the end of the day, it's good enough for me. So hope everybody's having a great weekend. Mine's going pretty good so far. Yeah, that will do nicely. All right, so I'm going to do my quick little clean up, get this blade cleaned up, and we'll come back for the post shave and the final thoughts. I'm back in a minute. Alright, and I am back, all cleaned up. Pretty much BBS all over. I did the cleanup pass with this little beauty. That is the Grand Shave King I got from my man, Lyle the Sask Shaver. The reason I bought this, actually, or one of the reasons I wanted one, was to do my cleanups after a straight razor shave. Nice, mild, easy on the skin. Don't quite get BBS with it, but I get awful damn close. And we're going to go with the matching splash. This stuff is pretty potent. Lots of alcohol in it. A little bit of burn, nothing too serious. Over here in this side of the neck, that's nothing new for me. That's kind of my trouble area. It's so nice to do it twice. Very simple aftershave. It's like 4 or 5 ingredients or something in it. Or if it even has that. That I'm not sure of. Nice simple aftershave. Brings the scent and feels good after the dry down. So what more do you want? So that's the shave for today, guys. Thank you very much for tuning in. I do appreciate it. Thank you to all the new subscribers. And if you're watching these and you like the content, please hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you'll be notified when I upload a new video, which is generally every Wednesday and every Saturday. Might look at adding a couple more into the mix, see how things go. So that's it for me. Hope everybody has a great weekend. Be safe, be kind to one another. Most importantly, have a great day and even better shave. We're going to catch you in the next one. Peace and love yous.